one, if you are here, that itself means you're a writer. Maybe not a perfect professional one, but you definitely know how to write, how to put your thoughts on a piece of paper. In this video, I would be telling you all about content writing, what content writing is, what is the role of a content writer, and how much you can earn as a content writer. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. Content writing is the process of writing, editing and drafting a piece of web content. It includes articles, blog posts or scripts for a video or podcast. In this field, you have to write about different niche. The niche includes academic writing, in which you have to make lesson plans or you have to explain a topic. It can also be health news, or it can be anything current. It can be a news about the current affairs, or it can be a product review or technical information. In layman language, whatever you see on Google is the work of a content writer. Be it a simple home remedy or a definition or a question like who is the Prime Minister of India, everything is written by a content writer. Looking at the number of content you get to see on Google, you can imagine the number of jobs in this field. Believe me, there are thousands of jobs in this field. Every data suggests every hour there are around 10,000 jobs posted on Google for a content writer. Comes the second important thing, that is how much you can make as a content writer, how much a content writer earns. A fresher content writer can get anywhere between $20 to $40 for writing 2,000 word content, that is around 2 to 3 pages. So if you are someone who can write 2 articles in a day, you could make around $60 in a day, and in a month you could easily get $1,800. With experience, the pay per writing increases and you can charge as high as $100. $100, believe me, it's a very big amount, but it comes with experience. It is just like any other job. The more experience you have, the more is your pay. I like most about content writing is the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. You can sit in India and work for a company located in US, Germany, Canada, Japan, anywhere. And you can work, you just need a laptop for this, laptop and an internet connection. You can sit in your lobby, in your study room, in your garden, in the bus, in the cafe, anywhere and write. Now let's move on to the second big question. That is, what types of content writing jobs are there in the market? In the market, you will find 2 types of content writers. One are the freelance content writer and second are the full-time content writers. When working as a freelance content writer, you have the freedom to choose number of working hours and number of clients. On your productive days, you can go as high as 10 articles in a day, and when you feel lazy, you can just simply do nothing or just write 1 blog post. So freelance content writing gets you the freedom and flexibility in your working hours and also in your pay scale. Moving on to the second category, that is full-time content writer. This type is similar to any other job wherein you have to go to office, sit there and do the assigned task. The number of tasks would depend on your company norms. In some companies, the content writers are asked to write 2 to 3 informational articles in a day or a well-researched article in a day. So it would basically depend on your company needs. This was all about content writing. If you want to know how to be a content writer, you have to wait for my next video. In my next video, I would be telling you how to be a successful content writer. But for that, you definitely need to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Till then, happy writing. Bye.